welcome back to Daring Drinks. Today we are back with another cocktail that is gin and sin, which is made with gin, some orange juice, some dash of grenadine syrup, lemon juice and lot of ice. So first let's take a tin, shake it in and let's pour some around 1 ounce of lime juice and then 1 ounce of orange juice and let's pour some grenadine syrup and require a little of sugar syrup to balance it, so it will be around half an ounce sugar syrup and then almost 1.5 ounce of gin. Now let's take it over ice. Give it a shake. Let it shake. Let's take martini glass and double straight. That's it. Here we have a cocktail that is gin and sin. Thank you very much.